I'm also going to try to take off this locking nut and key right there, because mine broke. Like this little socket here, mine is a 19 depending on your car. All you have to do is put this on and then hammer away, and that's the only way you can only do it. So which is stupid. Just hope you have lifetime warranty on the socket.
Yeah. She said I'm a favorite rapper, lady killer, yeah, it's Thriller, and I'm also fucking dapper, I don't know where you're from, just know where I'm going, I want you to come. Shots of tequila got you going dumb, Snapchat in the moment while open your bum. All of your friends trying to see what we do. You go to the bathroom, leave me in the booth. Talk to your friends like I think he's the truth. He's from out of town and he's leaving here soon. Shoot you a text, say I'm ready to roll. Your friends start to laugh and say go be a hoe. You just had a breakup, so when you wear makeup, you cover your heart and whole feelings don't show. I'm right at the bar giving tips to the attendant. If we had a threesome, I would recommend her. Her name is never mind. Let's just forget her. It's time that I give you a night to remember.
I know you a freak on the low. Girl, how low can you go? Strip when you see this flow. You gotta let your girlfriends know. I know you a freak on the low. Girl, how low can you go? Strip when you see this flow. You gotta let your girlfriends know.
Now we're at the crib, and we're going at it. You beg for more like a fucking addict. Your mom texts you asking where you at. Might as well see that you're out with daddy. Hennessy got us leaning heavy, and the weed goes moving slow. Bad bitches wanna text me now, you're like, who are they? Shit, I don't know. No time for hoes, I got different shit. I'm hungry, trying to make a meal and shit. So if you love me, do it for the night. Cause my lifestyle, you ain't built for this. Gotta admit that I'm built for this. So ride me good and then pack your bags. Tell your friends I'm an asshole, but deep down you know that I'm the fucking man, it's Marvin.
One extremely annoying shift later.
Hola. So you got lock nuts and your key is broken? Well, grab yourself a 12-point socket that fits over. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in. You're gonna hammer it in a little bit. Not too much. You got the torque wrench test or a breaker bar, whatever. Go ahead, take it off. Oh man, I got hammered in more. Here. You don't want to hammer it in all the way so it doesn't get stuck. That way you can only use one and you won't have to buy multiple.
Like I did. Like a dumbass.
Like he did.
Like a dumbass.
Like he did. But see, unscrews easily. And let me show you how to get it off.
Yeah.
So if it doesn't come off by just pulling on it, just get a hammer, hit it multiple different ways. Hammer. It'd be better if you had like somewhere to rest it, but whatever. There you go. Just like that. Show them the lug. There you go.
That's some bullshit.
Easy as that. Alright, good luck guys. As long as you have a hammer, a socket that fits, and a breaker bar or whatever, you can get your lock nuts off and replace them with something else.
Yep.
Get that. It's behind your wheel. No, get the socket behind your wheel.
Hold on.
Don't show my address. Don't show where I live.
Okay, so Arshani lives.
Hey, I kill you.
I don't actually know the street. So.
Good. Don't even show what my house looks like.
My penis.
So wait, that means you're gonna have to take one off and put one on.
So what's gonna happen?
Chose the wrong person to film with my shaky ass hands.
Image stabilization. It's all good.
Just Dennis is rich.
What? Rich?
Tell him how rich you are.
I'm not rich.
Hey, why don't you tie in this one first?
I need my...
Yeah, do it before you pick the other one.
It's fine.
You don't want to risk damaging it. Oh shit. That cord had a STI wing.
What the hell?
Yeah, that red cord just went by, had an STI wing.
Why?
It's so ugly.
You say I'm a racer.
Well,
Fuck you, you bitch.
hey, now you can get your tires.
Yeah. My dad's gonna be like, what the fuck is this?
Steph, actually I wasn't. Just got messy.
What am I doing?
Your wheels are no longer safe, Dennis.
Another one? There's only one thing that sucks about these lug nuts. They're not 19s anymore. And they went down to 17s.
You driving one day and then your wheel just comes off.
You know what it's supposed to do if I put these lug nuts on? Spray paint this black. With plastic a bit. That way it has a little bit more color.
You got flats here.
Yeah, but I'll have to have more time to actually jack up the car and everything. I don't have that kind of time.
Flats it over. Just cover around.
It's too much to cover. I'd rather just do it when I do another tire rotation because I think I gotta change my front tire real soon. And I gotta grab coolant. Fuck! Oh look, it's a cop. Sir, it's all legal, sir.
It's like, let me turn on Dennis's headlights real quick. Let's see how legal it is.
Oh yeah, I gotta show them the headlights. They haven't seen it yet. Because Now this side's done.
On to the other side.
Yeah. You can start recording.
And it took you 5 minutes to do one wheel.
You want to help me out?
No. It's the last one. No, it's not.